10 major differences between ASP.NET and ASP.NET Core. In this video, we'll understand what is ASP.NET and ASP.NET Core, because once you know the differences, we'll understand more about ASP.NET Core. ASP.NET built for Windows, whereas ASP.NET Core built for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. So therefore you can use in multi operating systems. ASP.NET has a good performance, whereas ASP.NET Core has higher performance than the ASP.NET 4X. Therefore it will give much more a better performance compared to ASP.NET. ASP.NET uses web forms, MVC, web app, API, web pages, whereas in case of ASP.NET Core we are using Razor Pages is a recommended approach to create web UI as part of the ASP.NET Core. So therefore here we'll going to use Razor Pages. ASP.NET one version per machine, that means in one system you can have only one particular version, whereas in case of ASP.NET Core you can have multiple versions in the same machine. It means you can have a multiple folders in the multiple versions. So create a different folder for each version, so that will do the job. ASP.NET developed with the Visual Studio using C#, VB, F#, whereas ASP.NET Core developed with the Visual Studio for Mac, Visual Studio Code using C# and F#. The major thing is VB is wiped out in ASP.NET Core, so VB is not using, so therefore probably we have to depend on C#. We'll more concentrate on C# in case of ASP.NET Core. So you can use the Visual Studio Code in all the operating systems because it's an open source and cross-platform. Apart from this, you can use Visual Studio in Windows, Visual Studio for Mac in Mac. ASP.NET uses .NET Framework for runtime, whereas ASP.NET Core uses ASP.NET Core runtime. So this is a new method, a new built-in, so therefore it's have much performance than the previous one. ASP.NET used only in iOS with dependent on the system.web.dll, but because it is open source, ASP.NET is open source and cross-platform, it not depend on the system.web.dll, but even it not depend on the iOS. It's totally a new architecture, so therefore it works much better than the ASP.NET. ASP.NET MVC application added web.config, global.acx, so when they start the application. Whereas in case of ASP.NET Core, did not support for web.config and global.acx, but it support for offsetting.json. So they support for the JSON file for the startup. ASP.NET supports for Windows, whereas ASP.NET Core support cross-platform that we already discussed. So it will support for multiple operating systems, and as the days to come, so it may support in other operating system too. So the 10th point is we need to recompile after the code change, whereas in case of ASP.NET Core, the browser refresh will compile and execute the code, no need of recompile. So here any changes in the C# code we need to recompile, but here you don't need, but if you just refresh the page will do the job. So this is the major 10 difference between ASP.NET and the ASP.NET Core. So keep watch our channel for more, we'll keep update all the things. Also please subscribe to our channel and learn from our channel. Also learn how to make the projects, so therefore when you learn projects, easy for you to get the job. Thank you very much.